Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 23rd April 2026. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the most beloved Father, the innocent Lord, is sitting personally in front of you. Remember Him with love, and that love will increase, and all obstacles will finish. Question: what should you Brahman children constantly remember, so that you never perform sinful actions? Answer: whatever actions I perform, others who see me will do the same. When you remember this, you won't perform sinful actions. Anyone who performs sinful actions secretly cannot remain hidden from Dharmaraj. He would instantly receive punishment for that. As you make further progress, there will be martial law. No impure being can secretly sit in this court of Indra. Song is: no one is unique like the innocent Lord. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. These times are very delicate, and you must therefore not perform any wrong actions. Keep the philosophy of action, neutral action and sinful action in your awareness, and constantly perform elevated actions. Number 2. Make your body free from disease for all time with yoga. Remember the most beloved Father. Donate the imperishable wealth of this knowledge that you receive from the Father. Blessing for today. May you make your harsh sanskars gentle with the virtue of tolerance and become a jewel of contentment. Details are: those who have the virtue of tolerance are always seen to be content. Those who are embodiments of contentment also make others content. To be content means to achieve success. Tolerant souls make their harsh sanskars gentle, and their difficult tasks easy with their power of tolerance. Their faces are seen as embodiments of virtues. Only they can continue to use the shield of this drama. Slogan is: those who cannot be transformed with words can be transformed with pure vibrations. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Imbibe the virtues of sweetness and humility to become great. Father Brahma's words were angelic. He spoke few but sweet words. Speak accurate words in the same way. Even if you have to speak because of your activities, do not speak too much. Follow the Father in your every thought, word and deed. Let there be the greatness of sweetness and humility in every word. For this, consider yourself to be an instrument before you carry out any task, and then, with greatness, there will also be humility, and you will become an embodiment of success.